Geometry. Problem 15. MATH is a square. If MH is 30, find the missing information. AT, it's a square. All four sides have the same measure. MH is 30, AT is 30. For that matter, HT is 30. And MT is 30 times the square root of 2. Back to our special right triangles, right? We know this is a right angle because it's a square. HA is exactly the same as MT. It is 30 times the square root of 2. The measure of angle AMT is 45 degrees because it's half of 90, and also because we know we have isosceles triangles here. The measure of angle ATH, that's a corner of a square. That is 90 degrees. The measure of angle SMA is 45 degrees because the diagonal bisects the right angle. The measure of angle TSA is 90 degrees. How do I know? Because we have an isosceles right triangle. This is 45, this is 45, this has to be 90. One more problem, I'm calling it a night. We'll finish tomorrow. Use trapezoid EAGL with mid-segment MD for 16 and 17. EA is 31. MD is X. LG is 57. What do we have to find? We have to find X. We have to find MD. The equation is X is the average of these two. 31 plus 57 divided by 2 equals X. 31 plus 57 is 88 divided by 2 is 44. The measure of MD is also 44. On problem 17, the measure of angle L is 4x. The measure of angle E is 128. The measure of angle G is 6x. What's the equation? Well, I don't know. What are we trying to find? Well, we know 4x is equal to 6x. Oh, no, we don't actually know that. Yeah, maybe we do. Well, let's see. If this is 128, we do not know that this is an isosceles trapezoid, so let's see what we can figure out. What can we figure out? Can we assume this is an isosceles trapezoid? We know this is equal to that. We know this is equal to that. Let's see what else we know. What else do we know? We have angles that are same side transversal. This is parallel to this. This mid-segment is parallel to this base. So this angle, and this angle are corresponding angles. 4x plus 128 equal 180 degrees. 4x plus 128 equal 180 degrees. Subtract 128 from both sides, and that's going to give us 52. 4x equals 52. So x is going to equal 13. The measure of angle G is 6x. 6 times 13. 6 times 13, 78 degrees. The measure of angle A, if this is 78, this is 78, this is 78. And if that's true, angle A is 180 minus 78 is 112. Feel free to double check my arithmetic, but a mistake we did not make was to assume that we had an isosceles trapezoid. Your mileage may vary. I hope you find a mistake in my calculations, and if you do, either email me or send me a comment on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. I will finish 18 and the rest tomorrow evening. Test on Thursday.